Yeah.
What would you maybe say, what would be one, just about that one reason you'd give people to integrate Workday Adaptive Planning with Google Sheets?
Yeah. It's definitely been a time saver for us. As I described, I don't know how other people run adaptive or their reforecast process, but you can really put a lot of safeguards around, here's the data that's going to go in adaptive. If you make a change and save, there's no undo. Versus Google Sheets, you could undo if you click the wrong thing or you realize, oh, this was the wrong value to go in. And I think the other area is just improving collaboration. I think if you're already using Google Sheets, I think most people find that to be a really valuable aspect of Google Sheets. I think this just further then connects the collaboration that you get out of Google Sheets and simplifies bringing that data into Adaptive and also pulling that data from Adaptive as well. We do also have some cases where we simplify the running of reports in the background to refresh very clean charts and tables. And any end user can click that rather than kind of going into Adaptive to pull matrix
Excellent.
report.
Right. So you find more users are able to refresh those sort of on their own or without too much back and forth with across platforms. That's great.
Exactly.